Ever pondered over the effectiveness of your current relaxation methods? Or found yourself yearning for something more profound? There is a realm of relaxation that goes beyond the conventional, harnessing the power of sound and energy to offer an unparalleled experience of serenity. This is the world of somatic patterns and quantum healing. Somatic patterns, a fascinating scientific principle, explores the transformative power of sound frequencies. Sounds at varying frequencies interact with matter to create intricate, often mesmerizing patterns. These patterns are not just pleasing to the eye, but they also have a profound effect on our bodies. The human body, composed largely of water, is a perfect canvas for these sound frequencies to create their symphony, helping to harmonize our internal rhythms and promoting deep relaxation. Quantum healing, on the other hand, delves into the subatomic level of our existence. It's based on quantum physics principles, which believe that everything in the universe, including us, is interconnected at a fundamental level. Hence, the energy changes at the quantum level can influence our physical and mental well-being. Quantum healing leverages this principle to bring about positive shifts in our energy fields, fostering a sense of relaxation and wellness that transcends the physical. The relaxation technique developed by Subtle Energy Solution weaves together these two powerful scientific principles. It taps into the transformative potential of somatic patterns and the healing power of quantum energy to usher in a state of relaxation that is both deep and holistic. This technique goes beyond the surface to address the root causes of stress and tension, paving the way for a state of inner peace and tranquility. The benefits of this technique are manifold. It helps to align the body's rhythms, promoting a sense of harmony and balance. It soothes the mind, alleviating stress and anxiety. It rejuvenates the spirit, infusing a sense of well-being and vitality. Above all, it fosters a deep, lasting sense of relaxation that permeates every aspect of our being. In conclusion, the realm of relaxation is evolving, with somatic patterns and quantum healing leading the way. This technique, rooted in sound and energy, offers a unique pathway to tranquility, wellness, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey towards a more relaxed, balanced, and vibrant self. So, are you ready to explore this new frontier of relaxation?